Okay, so this is part 3. It's time to check the mixer board, and here I have the top of the amplifier. For now is to dismantle all the plastic. Okay, so this is done. Now I have to open all this kind of wrench. You know, they are moving, but I can take them out. I got it. So, in fact, it's no screw. Look at this. It's no screw. It's just it's a locking system. Somehow, I got it. A small twist, like 15 degrees or something, and it's out. I thought it's a screw, but no. Okay. Next step is to take out all the screws and effectively get the board out from the metal plate. Okay, it's looking good. Any more screws? Oh, here. Perfect. This goes to cleaning. Here we have a ground connection. You see, we have a screw over here for the ground, so that needs to be taken off. Alright, let me have this. So, the face is out. This goes to cleaning. And here we have the mixer board. Here we have all the potentiometers in a kind of hot water and green soap. I just let them melt the dirt. You see why I took this out? Because first I wanna see if I can have some contact spray inside the potentiometers. Can we do that? So these potentiometers are completely sealed. Maybe if we push it here, somehow floating the potentiometer with spray, some of that will go down there, hopefully. Oh, we'll do the cleaning later. For now I have to find which of the potentiometers it's working and which needs to be replaced. And that's why I'm going down in the storage room, put the amplifier together and having a test. Okay, so here I have the mixer connected to the main or the power amplifier. In fact, power on. Relays are clicking. Some signal. Of course. Channel 1. Oh yeah. Again, it's working. Yeah, no more noise on this one. Channel 1, it's super fine. Again, it's working. Little bit of noise here, but it's workable, I may say. This two guys have to go out. That's very clear. Yeah, it's workable. Perfect. Come on. Checking this jack's input, stereo input, I brought my mid-J down here. It's working. Yeah. The equalizer is working fine. Yeah, these two potentiometers are kind of, let's call it rusty, but yeah, I have to replace those. Everything is fine, so no doubt about. Let's close the experiment or the test. In fact, here we have a test rather than experiment. Okay, so testing the mixer board proves functionality. It's looking good. Needs a little bit of cleaning. The potentiometers are pretty okay, except these two guys, the stereo channels. This needs to be replaced. So I have to look for some original parts and see you soon with some other news. Look there, I have a little spider here. Look at this guy. Oh man, I don't want to kill it. I'll take it outside. It was a little spider. Probably it have a kind of nest in here. Funny. Okay, so yeah, that's it, part 3. Stay tuned for part number 4, which I suppose it will be putting the things together, a final test and so on. For now, I'm really satisfied about the project. It's not so bad like I thought, you know, and it's looking like my friend is really lucky. With this one, it will be back to live and back on the stage ASAP. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button, doesn't cost you anything, it helps me a lot. I'm waiting your comments too. In the meantime, thanks to my sponsors, Radu G from Belgium and Vlad Kaya from Amphia Records, of course Jack from States. And that's it for today. Stay tuned for part 4. I'll be back as soon as I have the parts, the replacement parts, and yeah, that's it. Don't forget, have fun. Bye.